Finding system information. Every time you log into a Linux machine, it is very important for everyone to know which system they are logged in terms of what operating system is running or what hardware it has underneath or what's under the hood. There are a few commands to find that out. Is if you cat out the etc red hat release file, will give you the information about its operating system. The uname -a, which will also give you the information about operating system and some kernel information. And the last one is dmi decode. This command will also give you the information about processor, memory, the hardware that's underneath the operating system. Let's look at each of them one by one. And this time we will log into our Linux machine through console. Okay, let's clear this out. We are who am I? We are root. I want you to exit out of it and become yourself. Who am I? We are ourself. Where are we? Home directory. And once inside of our directory, the same listing of the files. Now let's make this a little bigger. When you do cat etc red hat release, this is the file. It's a text file. It would tell you that we are running CentOS Linux 7.4 and the update 1708. The next command we have that we're going to learn is uname -a. This one tells you this is Linux, the host name of the Linux, this is the kernel version, this is the Redl 7 64-bit, tells you the date and time, and when was the system actually was built or packaged together, and again what's the architecture of it. It tells you all the information about the operating system. And the last command is dmi decode. You won't be able to run it if you are a regular user. So see, it says permission denied. So what we do, we become root. Alright, we are root. Let's clear our screen. We want to type dmi decode, hit enter. Alright, so it threw a lot of information on the screen, if you notice, very fast. See, if you scroll up. So we could either do the scroll up, or what's the other way to do? You do dmi decode, hit up arrow key, space, pipe it, and do more. So we could view the output one page at a time. So here, hit enter, and here you will see the BIOS information, the virtual box, what kind of computer it has underneath, what's the ROM size. We created the memory information, the system information, the manufacturer here, manufacturer information, baseboard information. Also up here, we missed one thing. It has a serial number. The product name is VirtualBox. Remember, we are running on Oracle VirtualBox. The manufacturer is Oracle Corporation. Chassis is not specified because there is no chassis underneath. And it's give you some processor and some information about the memory. So these are the three basic commands that I think a system administrator or engineer should know about which system they are logged into, because the first thing, every time whoever logs into the system, they should run the first command is uname -a, which should give them the exact information about the operating system they are logged in. Also, another good command is always run hostname, and this will tell you which hostname you are logged in. So the reason I'm saying the hostname is important is because if you are tasked to reboot a Linux machine and you log into a different Linux machine by accident and you do reboot the machine, then you could cause a lot of trouble. So just be careful, always log in and just type hostname.